So today is the day that Buckle becomes a meter maid.
Gee, it's cold.
And he's very white.
Yes, I'm not renowned for my, I'm going to say, chocolate complexion, Hunter.
Well, you will be after Latan.
Yes, well, there's all bronze beauties up on the Gold Coast, and I would like to become a bronze beauty.
Let's do it.
Okay.
What do you mean? Where are you going? We're doing everything.
Oh, okay. I'm a bit cold then. A little bit. Ooh. How long does this take? Okay, can you not get it in my urethra?
Oh, I love it. Which one is right? Let's do it all right. So
Oh, Buckle, you're doing the wrong leg, mate.
wrong one. That's it.
There we go.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I don't know how to walk. It's sort of like trying to sexy.
You're not a cowboy.
It's like I've got a wooden leg.
I'm guessing that happens a fair bit, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah, no, it's great. Majority of the time. Yeah.
What's wrong with Buckle?
I don't know how to act. I'm wearing buckles.
Ladies, can you
Buckles in the
please
street.
show him how to walk, please?
It's not like a...
Relax. You don't worry with the shoulders. If anything, push your boobs out. Yeah.
You look so
I'm getting
uptight.
wolf whistled.
Woohoo!
11 minutes.
Yep, that's perfect.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay, now the money will go into here.
Yep.
There's no tickets. So then we go to the car and then we give them one of these to let them know that they've been saved by a meter maid.
I like it.
I don't think it's meant to be that suggestive.
Isn't it?
No.
This is how I help out.
No.
Things on my
No,
kids.
no, no.
Okay.